Traveling with kids? We packed tons of creative fun into one easy kit. Inside, you'll find an LCD doodle tablet, magnet building tiles, fidget squishy cube, noodle maze fidget toy, countdown window clings, wax craft sticks, sticky googly eyes, square paper and marker for the fortune teller game, air dry clay, games on the go card, and a carry pouch to keep it all together. Here's how to use everything. First up, the LCD doodle tablet. Draw pictures, practice letters, write silly messages, or make up games together. Check out the Draw and Doodle Games section on your Games on the Go card. It's full of games you can play right on your tablet. When you're done, just press the button to clear the screen and start again. Your kit also has a Games on the Go card, and it's packed with games the whole family can play anywhere, like alphabet games, scavenger hunts, would you rathers, category countdowns, and more. Some games work great with the LCD Doodle tablet, so keep it close. Next up, the magnetic building tiles. Snap them together and build towers, letters, animals, or your own mini world. You can build in 2D or 3D. Pro tip, build right on the tin lid. The tiles stick to it, so nothing slides around while you're in the car or on a plane. Need something for restless hands? Grab a fidget. Squish, stretch, and squeeze the squishy cube. It's great for keeping your hands busy while you travel. Or try the noodle maze. Create your own patterns, trace the maze, or fill the board with fun designs. When you're done, pull the noodles out and start all over again. These countdown window clings are perfect for road trips. Stick them all on your window at the start, then peel them off one by one as you get closer. No more, "Are we there yet?" because your kids can see the progress for themselves. Use the time markers if they fit your trip, or stick to the encouraging words. And they're reusable, so save them for your next adventure. Add silly googly eyes to your creations for extra laughs and personality. Stick them on your clay or wax creations, snack bag, or anywhere you like. Just stick them on smooth surfaces so they peel off easily. Squish, shape, and mold the clay into anything you imagine. Mix the colors to make new ones. Red and yellow make orange. Blue and yellow make green. Red and blue make purple. Need a little inspiration? Try this rainbow rocket ship. Roll a long piece of clay for the rocket body. Shape a cone and place it on top. Add 3 small fins at the bottom. Make a round window and attach it to the front, or invent something completely your own. There are no rules when it comes to creativity. When you're happy with your creation, leave it to dry for 24 hours to harden and keep its shape, or squish it up and create something brand new. Bend, twist, and shape the wax sticks into fun shapes. Here are a few fun ideas to get your creativity flowing. Let's make a colorful butterfly. Roll one stick into a small spiral for the wings. Then, press another stick through the middle to make the body. Add smaller spirals for the bottom wings and tiny pieces for antennae. You can also turn wax craft sticks into your own explorer glasses. Twist 2 sticks together to make a stronger frame, then bend them into circles for the lenses. Connect the 2 circles in the middle using another stick. Next, bend 2 more sticks into curved arms and attach one to each side. Adjust the ends so they rest comfortably behind your ears, then try them on and show off your creation. Now, let's make a fortune teller. Grab your square paper and marker. Fold one corner to the opposite corner to make a triangle. Press the fold, then open it back up. Do the same with the other corners one at a time. You should see an X on your paper. Now fold the paper in half both ways, top to bottom, then side to side, opening each fold back up. All the lines should meet in the center. Fold all four corners into the middle to make a smaller square. Flip it over and fold all four corners into the middle again, even smaller now. Fold it in half and tuck your fingers under the four flaps. To decorate, write 4 colors on the outside flaps, numbers 1 to 8 on the inside triangles, and a short fortune under each number. You'll have 8 fortunes total. To play, ask someone to pick a color and spell it out while you open and close the fortune teller. Pick a number, count it out, then pick one more. Lift the flap and read the fortune. That's everything in your boredom-busting travel activity kit by Purple Ladybug. Want more fun ideas? Scan the QR code to join our VIP list. Get free printables, discounts, and creative surprises from your friends at Purple Ladybug, bringing you creativity through crafting.